know I got the receipts, girl. You know I got the receipts. Hey guys, welcome back to the Sweet Pea Diaries. It's your girl, Sweet Pea, and I am back with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome back to the Sweet Pea Diaries. Be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Y'all know what time it is. What's up, y'all? We got Baltimore Bama in the building. We got Sean in the building. We got Christine in the building. Channel Chatter My Mind. Together we break chains. Cocoa Butter Barbie My Mind. Hey you guys are up with me. I see it's about 35 of y'all. Y'all just come on creeping on in. It's 12 midnight live. You know me. I'm always digging around, looking around. I am always finding things. Now, let me tell you something about this, okay? Let me tell y'all, hey, Serene, I see you. Now, let me tell you something about this. I've seen this paperwork, okay? I saw this paperwork and I really didn't think anything of it. Like, I really didn't read it because really, like when you go in Pacer, you can see the names, first and last names of the plaintiffs and what is given from the outside without clicking on it and actually going in and reading the documents. So, you know, I seen this last name and I was just like, I don't know what this is. And it was closed out. You know, it's a closed out case. So I'm like, I never really opened it up and read it. Okay. You know, go figure. The whole 2 years, never really opened it up and read it. I happened to be looking at TashaK's case with Cardi B. I went in to see if there were any updates. Of course there are. You know, we'll be talking about that in another video. I have a document, you know, an update, and I'm like, okay, we'll cover that tomorrow. But I said, let me look at this and see what this is. Girl, how about I open it up? And it is a lawsuit that was filed in 2019 by FAMEOLOUS. Now, I have heard that FAMEOLOUS is also AKA Gossip in the City. Research that I was doing tonight, today, whatever, leads me to that conclusion that that's the same person. And lo and behold, it's also the same person that was along with the girl that was suing Kevin Hart about the sex tape for the $60 million. It's the same person. They also sued TashaK. Okay, they sued TashaK a couple months before they went after Kevin Hart for the $60 million. They sued her in April. I guess they was out here trying to get money grabs. Honey, I guess in 2019, did COVID hit around that time? Was it 2020 when COVID hit? I don't know, but it was given, honey, they was trying to sue. Okay, this FAMEOLOUS Miss Ashley German, honey, she was trying to sue. All right, she ain't give a damn. She was suing. Okay, she, you know, was along with this person that was suing Kevin Hart. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to get into this because you know me. I will find the documents. I will find the documents and I'll let y'all know what is given. I'll let you know what's going on. You know what I mean? I will let you know. All right. So let's look at this mess. All right. So, like I said, this is the same person. This is the actual lawsuit that was bought when Kevin Hart, with the whole sex tape and the $60 million. The girl was suing for the $60 million exposure of the sex tape, whatever. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that this is the same person. Okay, this Ashley German, FAMEOLOUS Entertainment, she was involved with this Monita person. They were involved in this lawsuit, but this is the same person that actually was suing TashaK. All right. Now, she sued her in 2019, April of 2019, for copyright infringement. Says this is a civil action seeking a declaratory judgment, injunctive relief, and damages under Title II of the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. And this is what she's basically saying, that FAMEOLOUS.com and various other social media accounts on the internet. Plaintiff's widespread popularity is at least partially the result of the success of the plaintiff's brand, FAMEOLOUS. Defendant Kibi produces, hosts, and publishes videos on the YouTube entitled Unwind with TashaK. Defendant is infringing upon plaintiff's trademark by displaying and using the plaintiff's trademark without authorization. So this Ashley German, FAMEOLOUS, who is she? This is the person that's suing TashaK. Same person that was involved in the Kevin Hart lawsuit. All right, it says, defendant has ignored the plaintiff's request to respect its intellectual property rights and to stop interfering with its relationships with its users. In fact, the defendant has filed a fraudulent counter notice to the plaintiff's initial DMCA infringement claim filed with the defendant's website host provider that states that there has been no infringement and either that they hold the rights to the plaintiff's trademark or the use of it is legal. Plaintiff, through this lawsuit, seeks to immediately stop the defendant from its continuing injurious actions from which the plaintiff has suffered irreparable and incalculable harm and which will continue unless defendant is enjoined from further abuse of plaintiff's trademarks and copyrighted material. Now, the parties. Who are the parties? Who's suing? Plaintiff is Ashley German. She's the sole individual holder of the trademark name and logo FAMEOLOUS. Copy of the trademark is attached here too as Exhibit A. Now, when we look at Exhibit A is not anything. It is not. Yes, this is real. This is from Pacer. Okay. Yes, it's real. Where would we get the documents? It's from Pacer, honey. Yes, we go back and look at it. It's stamped from the court right there. It was filed in the U.S. District Court of Arizona. Yes, it is real. There is the seal. All right. Yes, it is a real lawsuit. Ashley German, FAMEOLOUS, ENT against LaTasha Transrena Kibi. Right. Yes, this is a real lawsuit. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. So it says the defendant, we said that she ignored. Okay. It's my copyright. Who are the parties? The parties are Ashley. Let me go back. The parties are Ashley German. She's the sole individual holder of the trademark name and logo FAMEOLOUS. A copy of the trademark is attached. So like I said, when we look at Exhibit A, it is not nothing but Instagram links and YouTube links. Okay, we'll get into that, which they no longer exist. I mean, this was back in 2019, but you would think that Exhibit A, when they said referring to trademark, that it would be the actual trademark application or, the certificate or whatever, the actual trademark paperwork, but no, it was links to YouTube videos. All right, so upon information and belief, LaTasha Kibi is a citizen and resident of the state of Georgia, and it gave the address. Upon information and belief, Unwind with TashaK is an LLC incorporated under the law of state of Georgia. Jurisdiction and venue, it says this action arises under the copyrighted laws of United States of America and Title II of the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. This court has subject matter jurisdiction over the claims. This court has personal jurisdiction over defendants LaTasha Kebe and Unwind with Tasha K because the defendant intentionally caused harm to Ashley German in Arizona. Issued the copyright counter notice threat to Ashley German in Arizona and on information and belief believes it is the owner of the FAMEOLOUS trademark conducts regular business in Arizona. So this jurisdiction was going to be Arizona because this Ashley German lived in California. She filed her lawsuit in California, and Tasha did a counter notice threat to Ashley in Arizona. So they said, well, boom, the jurisdiction was going to be Arizona. Okay. Now, during all relevant times, defendant has repeatedly, knowingly, and intentionally solicited internet users. Defendant made systematic and continuous contacts with this judicial district and has targeted its wrongful acts at FAMEOLOUS, which is headquartered in this judicial district. Venue for this action is proper under whatever law. Okay. The FAMEOLOUS trademark. Plaintiff's website and Instagram account is by design unique. Plaintiff provides for many the only place for showbiz news, often ahead of the pack with breaking stories. The website has become known as the go-to site for official celebrity updates. The website is fundamental to the plaintiff's reputation and garners substantial and valuable goodwill with its users. As an online venture, the intellectual property related to the FAMEOLOUS website and Instagram account is a vital asset to the plaintiff. Plaintiff's website is a work of authorship protected by trademark law. Plaintiff has carefully protected her trademark. Plaintiff owns all common law rights in the FAMEOLOUS mark. Plaintiff is also the owner of U.S. Federal Registration's trademark, and they give the number for the trademark for the FAMEOLOUS mark, covering inter alia entertainment in the nature of providing an informational and entertainment website in the fields of celebrity gossip, entertainment, sports, and fitness. So FAMEOLOUS has been trademarked. Nowhere in here is this stating Unwind with Tasha K. This so far is about FAMEOLOUS, but what FAMEOLOUS is trying to say, they own the mark Unwind with Tasha K. Okay, FAMEOLOUS has been used in commerce by the plaintiff since 2013. Plaintiff's use has been continuous and exclusive. Plaintiff has attained strong name recognition in the FAMEOLOUS mark. The mark has come to be associated with the plaintiff. Plaintiff has also developed substantial goodwill in the FAMEOLOUS mark. The FAMEOLOUS mark is among plaintiff's most important and valuable assets. Defendant's unauthorized activities. Now, this would be Tasha K's unauthorized activity. So, defendants without authorization have used the famous FAMEOLOUS mark in commerce to advertise defendant's services on the internet in a manner likely to confuse consumers as to its association, affiliation, endorsement, or sponsorship with or by the plaintiff. So this FAMEOLOUS person said that Tasha used her FAMEOLOUS mark. So this is not about the Unwind with Tasha K trademark or logo. That's what I thought it was stating in the beginning. But now as we're reading it, it really isn't that. They're trying to say that Tasha used the FAMEOLOUS mark. She used it to advertise her services. I have not seen that. I don't know where it was at. There were links that were in Exhibit A, but they are now since been deleted. The videos are deleted. The links are gone. The posts to these links are gone. So they have been taken down. Whatever it was, I tried to find it. It doesn't exist anymore. Okay. Probably because this lawsuit was thrown out. However, this is what it was giving. This is what she sued her for. This is what she was going to sue her. It was thrown out. Maybe the same week she filed it, it was thrown out. But this is what she was alleging that Tasha K did. This Ashley German, FAMEOLOUS Entertainment, Gossip in the City, said that Tasha K used her FAMEOLOUS mark. All right. She said it was unauthorized use of the mark. And FAMEOLOUS mark includes, but is not limited to, use of the mark on YouTube.com, its website homepage, and Instagram account. Defendant's use of the FAMEOLOUS mark causes confusion and mistake and is likely to deceive customers and potential customers regarding the origin, affiliation, association, connection, and or endorsement of defendant's services and websites with or by FAMEOLOUS. Okay. And at no time has plaintiff authorized or consented to defendant's use of the FAMEOLOUS mark or any other FAMEOLOUS intellectual property. At no time has the plaintiff had any association, affiliation, or connection with or endorsed defendant's services, website, Instagram account, or defendant's, specifically defendant's, let's go, services are not authorized, endorsed, or sponsored by, or associated, affiliated with, or connected with the plaintiff. In using the FAMEOLOUS mark, defendants have willfully and deliberately sought to profit from plaintiff's pre-established goodwill and reputation. The plaintiff has suffered significant harm to its reputation and goodwill due to the defendant's actions and will continue to suffer irreparable harm to its reputation and goodwill if defendant's conduct is not enjoined. Plaintiff has suffered economic damages in excess of $5,000, including effort and resources used to investigate and combat defendant's unauthorized use of the plaintiff's registered trademark. Defendant benefited financially from their behavior while at the same time harming the plaintiff. All right, now, claim for relief violation of the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. The plaintiff re-alleges and incorporates by reference as it fully set forth herein the allegations in all the preceding paragraph. Plaintiff has registered trademarks in its website. Upon information and belief on or about February 15th, 2018, defendants copied and disseminated the FAMEOLOUS logo and placed it on their YouTube channel, website, and Instagram social media page to promote their company. A true and correct copy of the website pages are attached hereto as Exhibit A. The defendants did not license the FAMEOLOUS logo or photographs from the plaintiff for its YouTube channel, website, or Instagram or social media. All right. The defendants infringed plaintiff's trademark by accessing the plaintiff's website and reproducing and publicly displaying the trademark on their various social media accounts. Defendants are not and have never been licensed or otherwise authorized to access, reproduce, publicly display, distribute, and or use the plaintiff's company logo. The plaintiff has been and will continue to be damaged in an amount not presently known with certainty, but which will be proven at trial. Defendant's conduct also has caused irreparable and incalculable harm and injuries to the plaintiff, and unless enjoined will cause further irreparable injury for which plaintiff has no adequate remedy at law. Plaintiff is entitled to the range of relief provided by U.S., blah, 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 including but not limited to injunctive relief, compensatory damages, or statutory damages, punitive damages, and plaintiff's costs and attorney fees in amounts to be proven at trial. Plaintiff realleges and incorporates by reference as it fully set forth herein the allegations in all the preceding paragraphs. Plaintiff owns and it gives the trademark number for the FAMEOLOUS mark. And all these times are relevant. Defendants exercise ownership or control over its services, Instagram account, and websites, and knowingly incorporated in or induced, encouraged, enabled, or aided the infringement of plaintiff's trademark rights in online advertising for its services, Instagram account, and website. I mean, basically what this person is saying is she used her logo, used her, her company logo in a YouTube video. She did not give her permission. Defendant's use of the FAMEOLOUS mark in interstate commerce is likely to cause consumer confusion or to cause mistake or to deceive as to the origin of the services offered by defendants as to their affiliation, connection, or association with for the endorsement or approval by the plaintiff. Basically what that means is that, okay, people would think that this is your, this is your trademark. If you're promoting it on your channel, promoting on your website, they're going to get it confused and they're not going to think that it's mine. They're going to think it's yours. I didn't give you permission to do that. All right. So that's basically what this lawsuit is giving. It was filed back in April of 2019, basically saying that the displaying of the FAMEOLOUS trademark anywhere on the defendant's YouTube account, website, and various social media accounts was prohibited. It was not allowed. I did not authorize it, and I want to be compensated. She wanted to file a lawsuit. She wanted punitive damages. It was given all that, honey. And this is the Exhibit A. These were the links that, were associated. So that's what these links actually would lead you to. It would lead you to where it was displayed. But now I guess those videos don't exist anymore. If this person was saying, hey, you have this on your website, you have this on your YouTube channel, you have it on your Instagram. She had examples of that. YouTube videos. She had 1, 2, 3, 4 Instagram posts, links that was showing where this was taking place. All right. So this was not the Unwind with TashaK. All right. This is not the Unwind with TashaK logo. This is the FAMEOLOUS logo, okay? It was used somewhere by Tasha. It was reposted or whatever. And the person for FAMEOLOUS, and this is, it's Gossip in the City as well, is what it links to Gossip in the City. And she, Ashley German, saying that these are all one and the same person. But they, if you using somebody else's stuff without their permission, damn right you're going to get, of course, lawsuit, boom, damn right. Name of the game. Okay. But the court said, okay, in Arizona, we have this mandatory initial discovery pilot project. We basically have a project where we're going to ask that you put up initial discovery to prove your case, right? It's the responsibility of the parties to read the general order carefully and ensure familiarity and compliance with it, and get familiar with what the requirements are. All right. Any party seeking affirmative relief must serve a copy of this notice, and they must look at the checklist, each party, and they must give what is being required. And it's basically upfront discovery. All right. Not every case and not every lawsuit would be subjected to it, but some of them have, like triggers an audit, triggers this project. And if that your case, it triggers and you got to be part of that, then you got to give initial discovery before you even produce your lawsuit. Okay. You got to show proof why you suing. Child, when that was asked for, a couple days later, April 24th, this case was dismissed voluntarily by FAMEOLOUS. Ashley German, FAMEOLOUS, the limited liability company, they dismissed this voluntarily without prejudice against TashaK. Well, when you dismiss without prejudice, it's basically saying that you could sue again if you want to. You can absolutely bring up a lawsuit again if you dismiss without prejudice. But this did not get any feed, didn't have any, it started on the 15th and it was out by the 24th. Okay. It was out by the 24th. All right. So really what's going on here is that the FAMEOLOUS person basically said that TashaK used her logo on her website, on her YouTube channel, on her Instagram. And she didn't have permission to do so. What do you guys think about that? Did you guys hear anything about this? This has been in existence since 2019. I'm just now reading it. Did you guys hear anything about this child? And do you guys know, is FAMEOLOUS Gossip in the City? I've heard a lot. I've never had any interaction with her. I've seen her, looked at her posts and her videos, and I see that she's really, she will expose celebrities. I've heard that she's, held their feet to the fire, give me 20 G's, give me this and I won't expose you. I've heard that she gets tea and she gets down right dirty with it. But do we believe this? Do we think this is a fake lawsuit? Do we think this was a money grab? This is right before the Kevin Hart situation with the tape and the $60 million lawsuit. Do we think that, she was a part of that. She was a part of suing with the the girl. So I don't understand, why this would start in a week and then it would just go away a few days later. So do we think this is real? What do you guys think? Baltimore Bama says, I don't know who that is. There's a lot of people that know who she is. Apparently she's a YouTuber or a blogger, a person that gets on. She has multiple different pages. She'll start up a page and then You know what I mean? She'll stop them. But yeah, let me see what you guys are talking about. Let's see. Okay. I'm trying to play. Now here we go. I don't know. Is that working? It might not be working. Might not be working. Let's see. No, I don't think it's not working. Mm-mm. I don't know why. You know what I mean? I try. I'm trying to get the hang of these comment things. You know what I mean? I be trying, y'all. But like I said, this program is not the same as a StreamYard and stuff like that. So sometimes it's hard to show the comments. I thought I had it, but you know what y'all talking about in the chat? Like she says, Broken Heart says, I remember Fee saying Tasha has stolen stories from Fee. I don't know who Fee is. I don't know. Yes, Instagram and several sites you have to pay for. Yeah, I did hear that you have to pay. I don't know who's Fee. Oh, yes, Fee is Ashley. Okay, so see, that's what I said. I heard that this is all the same person. Like this person, um, yes, that is Fee from Gossip in the City blog. I've heard that this is all one and the same. So I don't know. What do you guys think about it? Do you think that this is is true? Yes, that's Gossip in the City, and this is not the first time Tasha has done that. She did it to Michelle A.T. Alien. Mm, So we think that she really, I mean, she had the links. She had links and everything. You know what I mean? She was prepared. She had links, so, you know. Let's see if I can get you guys' comments to come up. Let's see. Let's see if I can get you guys' comments to come up. Let's see. Let me see if I can put one. See if it works. Okay, we see. This person says that. No, see it. I'm gonna move this out the way and let me see if now that works. Let me see. This. Okay, there we go. Fee don't play. Okay. Okay, Fee don't play. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take some comments because see, I'm playing with my little doodad. I'm playing with my little doodad. I'm trying to learn my new comments. Y'all give me some comments to put up on the screen. All right, let me see. Let's see. Let's see. And we gonna make it bigger. We gonna make it bigger. Okay, let's see if that work. All right, I think I got it working, y'all. Let's see, y'all. Okay. Look, Sean said. So in other words, she's no better than TK. I don't know. Dennis McKinley commented back on incident wishing she would have flown through the window. I don't know. I don't know what to mean, y'all. Oh yeah, I heard. Yeah, today another YouTuber posted TK live from a plane that landed in ATL, acting all shook up after a crash landing. She could be. I did hear that the plane. I did hear about that. Oh, the Diorama Art says, I just want to see my comment in a thought bubble. There you go. There you go. Oh, I heard this too. Vanderveer says Drake was coming for Fee. She was hacking accounts and admitted to it. Ah. I heard about that. I did. Okay, let's see. This is cute. You want to be a blessing to the show? You can cash out Sweet Pea. All donations are welcome, however, not required. Thank you, Channel Chatter. You look so cute in your little profile picture. Y'all like that? Isn't that original? You guys like that? I set that up for y'all. I have that specifically um formatted for my squad. Yes. Yes. That thought bubble thing is cool. Thank you, Cocoa Butter Barbie. You guys know I stay trying to, have something, hey something, have something. Hey y'all. She says, hey, hey girl, hey Felicia. Um, okay. Oh, Renee, I heard this too. I heard that too. She's a scammer, allegedly. I did hear that as well. So I think that's cute, right? Right? Oh, hey girl. I think it's so cute. I like it. Child, Tasha is a thief and a liar. Fee, okay, Fee has pay sites with exclusive information. I never subscribed, but some of Tasha's exclusives were from Fee's private sites. Oh, what? Mm, wow. Well, you guys, let me know what you think about it. I mean, do you think I mean, shoot, if you can't be posting people's you can't be taking people's content and using it. And apparently she was not here for it. So she filed a lawsuit, but like I said, when the judge asked for the discovery pilot, it was a pilot program, asked for discovery up front, then a few days later the case was dismissed voluntarily by Ashley. Without prejudice. So she can always sue again, if this ever happens again. But I didn't see anything about it on on YouTube. Didn't see it. So I was like, I wonder if anybody knew about this, So it was worth covering it. Just oh, thank you. Says the bubble is different from others I've seen. I try to do different, I try to be innovative. It's gonna really look cool when I'm live and you get to see it. Like when it has the background like this and I'm doing it, you can see it, but you can't see it. But it looks really cool when I'm live and it's my, video. Oh, it looks so cute. Wait till we use it on the live video. Y'all gonna be like, ooh, and I have other formats as well I could use. I have other colors we could use. And we have other ways that we can do these comments. So I'm looking forward to using it. I told you guys I had this program for a while. I just said, let me try to go ahead and learn how to use it. You know what I'm saying? I got this stuff and sometimes I'll just be like, girl, I don't want to, it takes a lot to sit down and go over it. So I'm like, I don't feel like it. Yes, don't forget to hit that like button, notification, share, and subscribe. And oh, okay. She said this is the first I've heard about this stuff. I told you guys I be finding these documents. I've seen them. I saw them. They were sitting there, and the last name was just not hitting for me. I was like, German, but we were so consumed with the Cardi B lawsuit that we just never really, looked at it. But yeah. Oh, Broken Heart says, well, Fee has been threatening to sue Tasha for years. They both have questions. Okay. Well, Fee sued her and, she just, she voluntarily dismissed it without prejudice. I don't know. Again, I don't know who this blogger is. I don't have any knowledge on her. Never really paid attention to any of her content, but I've heard about her. I heard how she, she has a reputation in these streets not to be played with, and I don't want no trouble. I'm just reporting on what I saw. I don't have an opinion either way. But as far as Tasha goes, you know how we feel about TashaK over here. Listen, girl, you just stay in these lawsuits. And it was around the same time, 2019, girl, you stay in these lawsuits. Okay. We see how the one turned out with Cardi B. So it was like this person, she dropped it. But honey, if she had a case, I would have kept it going. You know, if she had used my logo and used my information without my consent, I would have kept the lawsuit going. I wouldn't have dropped nothing. I wouldn't have had no mercy on her. She probably had mercy on her because she knew she was being sued by Cardi B. She said, girl, I ain't going to get you, and Cardi's getting you as well. I'm not going to tag team you. I'm going to let you live. Oh, okay. Broken Heart says this. She says both of them have questionable tactics. Okay. Now, see, that's another thing. Because it's a bigger bubble, sometimes the words are going to cut off, but you can read it. Oh, okay. Look at this one. TK better take the hint and start inviting her guests to HDL instead of always flying around. Honey, you know she want to fly around and feel important. She want to fly around, feel like a journalist. She want to feel like a journalist, child. All right, so, yes, you guys. Oh, thank you. She says you get a thumbs up for the chat bubble. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Slippery says she was hot-headed. Now she's paying for it. She should have humbled herself before this point. Oh, no. She said, wait, not the fee who be real bold on IG. I guess so, yeah. It says, oh, wait. It says, 9mag TV's voiceover was on TK's FTM-based interview. Did he approve that? I don't know. I don't know because I didn't really watch. You know, I didn't watch the interview or anything. I don't know. Ghetto journalist, yeah. You know, child. I don't know. Yes, Cocoa Butter Barbie girl, it's hard. It is hard to learn these programs. I understand. Hard to settle down and learn. Child, yes, it is, girl. But yeah, that's what it's giving you guys. I just wanted to come, and give you that tea real quick. And whenever I find something, I bring it to you. We find paperwork, we gonna bring it. And that's an exclusive for your ass, okay? That's an exclusive. I need to put exclusive in the title, but I don't be tripping off that type of stuff. We do our content and we give what it gives. What do we think about it? Do we think that it was a legitimate? Did anyone ever see the FAMEOLOUS being put on Tasha's website? Did we see that on back in a couple years ago? Did you guys see anything content that had FAMEOLOUS, her logo, or anything that was on Tasha's YouTube or Instagram? Does anyone remember seeing these posts? Because she had about 6 of them, right? See, let's look at that. She had about 6 of them in her exhibits. All right, here. She had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She had 2 YouTube posts and 4 Instagram links. Does anyone remember where this could have been? Because now it's not, it's all deleted and it's been 2 years old. So does anybody remember? I don't know, because I wasn't on YouTube at that time. I just got on here in 2020. So I don't know anything about it, but yep, that's what it's given. All right, you guys. Tanja says, I have not watched for years. Aw, thank you. Tanja says, I love the bubble. Thank you. Now, you guys see how that looks on the white? Now, you see when we put it, behind. So just imagine what that's going to look like when it's on my screen. When it's with the camera, it's going to look so cool because you see how it looks with the white background. Aquarius says, what up? What up, doe, fam? You see how it looks with the white? You can really see it. So it's going to look so cool when we use it. Channel Chatter says, I can't believe she put Transarena in the lawsuit. Transarena. Oh, I don't want to be a username says, girl, a couple of years ago, TK was out taking content from everybody. Damn. Girl, no way. She says, I came across a reference TK made to this FAMEOLOUS person and referred people to her site. I heard this too. Fees pages has been taken down a couple of times. Yeah, I heard that. I love this. Look at his profile picture with these cigarettes. Are you stressed out? This is too cute with these. It's like I can't with these cigarettes. I love it. See, now with this, I can see you guys' pictures. This is too cute. That is too cute. Put exclude right. Put exclude. Shut up, Cocoa Butter Barbie. You guys are crazy. Oh, Tasha's Patreon according to Fee. Yeah, but you guys, I just thought I'd come through and give you that tea, give you the, let you look at those papers and let me know what y'all think, Like she said. Girl, stressed out with the cigarettes. You sending me with that picture, girl. It's cute. I like it. So you guys, thank you for coming through. It is 158 of y'all up with me, 12 midnight. But damn, nobody, girls, where are the girls? Why nobody reported on this? Oh, we didn't think it was, but shit, anything that I find that this TashaK is wrapped up in lawsuits or being accused of anything, we're going to expose it and bring it to the folks. Okay, we got our hands on that bankruptcy too. That old bankruptcy back in 2011. We covered that and we seen what it was given with that. We covered that before. It's a previous video, where we looked at her little, her bankruptcy from 2011, all the creditors and everything and everybody she owed and everybody she got rid of, chapter 7 and stuff. And it's given us probably, with the avenue that she's going to try to go down with Cardi, but it's not going to work because she can't. The type of lawsuit, that this is, you cannot, like I said, I covered that before. There are some lawsuits that you can't file bankruptcy for. All right. And that's one of them. Okay. So you guys go ahead and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. This was just a fun video, something to come through tonight and kiki about. I don't think that this, if this was a serious thing, I think the FAMEOLOUS person, Fee, if that's her name, should have stuck with it. If she had your logos up and everything, then you should have stuck with it. But again, in the exhibits, we seen that their links don't exist anymore. So it could have been that Tasha took them down. And the girl said, well, hey, she took them down. I can't even prove my case anymore because they're gone. It's gone. But you still could screenshot it. You could have kept, it's whatever. But if she removed it, then there was no more lawsuit because she took it down. So it could have been a case of that too, where it was up and long as it was up, we had a suit. She deleted it, took it down. We don't got a suit no more. It could have been something like that. You know what I mean? So you guys be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next video. Y'all have a good night. Bye.